In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 split screen not working on the PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now let's say you're trying to use split screen, but you might find it's not working properly. So on the right, it says add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. So obviously you're going to need a second controller for this. So press the PlayStation icon on the second controller. It's going to ask you to assign the controller to a account on your PlayStation. So just find a profile you want to do this with, but just bear in mind that profile, whenever you click on it for the first time, it's going to ask you to sign into an Activision account because that's the way you can play Black Ops 7. So if you don't have an Activision account, like a second one, you're going to have to go ahead and make one. Then it's going to say press X to join split screen. Now it's going to be just like logging in, and on the right, as you can see, both are logged in. Now from here, all you got to do is go ahead and find a match. You can do this with either controller. I'll just be doing it with my player 1 controller. Then just select any mode and go ahead and load in. Now, as you can see, I'm in game and split screen is working perfectly. I can move around using this button, and then I can obviously, just go ahead and use this one as well. It's as simple as that. You could do this literally on any controller as long as it's connected and it's recognized by your PS5, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. You can move around, and honestly the frame rate is still really solid even when you are using split screen, but yeah, you should be good after that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other Black Ops 7 videos on this channel.